Hey everyone, welcome back, and here is the next SketchUp video. So in the previous video I brought in an image. It's of a castle floor plan. So I've got my views over here, and I'm going to go to the top view, and I'm just going to focus on the main level here. Zoom in, pan by holding down my shift key. Okay, so again, I'm not going to get every little bit here, but I'm going to try to do as much of it as I can, as precisely as I can. Okay, so I'm just going to basically go around. It's that easy. Now what I could do is right here you'll see that there looks like there's an opening here. I could actually just go here and then go back around and then do this whole thing like that, or I could possibly just continue along here and then cut an opening in, and then use the offset tool to give the wall thickness. I think I'm just going to go ahead and kind of go like this. It's a little more straightforward. Again, remember, while you are drawing, you can zoom in. It allows you to be a little bit more specific. You can also pan. And so again, here, I don't know if I want to get that detailed, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try to get some of this level of detail here. And I think I'll just go ahead and I'm going to ignore these little notches here. And again, you just kind of make up the rules as you're going. Okay, so I'm not going to bore you with watching me do the rest of it, but it's basically the same thing, just kind of tracing and going around. So I'm going to pause the video and then I will come back when I am done. Okay, so I believe this is the moment of truth where I click on the endpoint, and there we are. Let's zoom out and hey, let's hit save. Okay, so there you can see it there. Again, I wasn't too worried about fitting this exactly right. If that did bother you, again, you can click on the select tool and select that edge there, and then come over here and grab the move tool and just grab it and just kind of move it outward. There we go. So again, if that really bothered you, again, I am noticing like over here, I maybe forgot to draw that a little bit. So again, if it does bother you, come over here with the line tool, make sure you're starting from the edge, click, 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 and then just go right back to the edge, and then take your good old eraser tool and clean that up. There we go. Okay, and again, you can be more precise than I was. So you can see where it's a little bit uneven right here, and I would go in and I would select those, move them out, make the walls a similar thickness. For the interior walls, which are thinner, as you can see here, I would make those separate objects. So again, I would just I would draw those as a separate object with the pencil tool, and then I would push-pull those individually. Okay, so here's the moment of truth. Let's assume that I'm happy with the walls. I'm not entirely, but they're not bad. And then we go ahead and boom, we've got our castle here. So that's kind of cool. I like seeing it on top of the floor plan. It makes me very happy. The inner Dungeons and Dragons mage is very happy right now. That's a decent keep. Okay. So I hope you got a lot out of this and got to see a nice practical application. In the next video, I will show you that if you have a computer at home that can run Blender, I'll show you how to take this object here and bring it over into Blender. So until then, I will see you next time.